On the fuel gauge on the instrument panel, there's a little icon of a petrol pump. Next to the icon is an arrow, pointing either left or right. If it's pointing to the left, your car's filler cap is on the left. Very important. A loose gas cap will not only let fuel vapors escape, but it can also let in dirt and grime. These fuel vapors may cause an error in the emissions system, which could cause the check engine light to turn on. Many manufacturers recommend tightening the fuel cap until it clicks. Believe it or not all flat tires need to be replaced. As long as the puncture is not on the sidewall, the tire should be able to be repaired. Before blindly agreeing to an expensive new tire, ask your service advisor to show you the damage to your tire and have them fully explain why a new tire is being recommended instead of a repair. You've arrived at the gas station. You get out of the car, close the door with the key, go to the fuel filler, press the flap, but the fuel filler flap does not open. What is the reason? The reason is that you closed the door with the remote control, and the fuel filler flap locked together with the door. Open the door, then press the fuel filler flap. Remember that you cannot close the door with the remote control because the fuel filler flap will not close. Why don't you close the fuel filler flap? Because the bolt blocks the flap. To close the flap, you have to press the opening button on the remote control. Which reservoir is for the windshield washer? With triangle? No. With .3 or .4 markings? No. Correct one is with windshield symbol and very often with a blue color lid.
Pipe, which is under the bonnet, and then push the air into the blocked jet wash. This one, jet wash is blocked, so I will try to disconnect this pipe from here in this point, and then I will push the air into the water jet and hope that all debris will be pushed out from the pipe and
You're looking to buy second-hand car? Check 3 very important factors. Gaps between doors. And the bonnet must be exactly the same. Windows. This car was made in 2016, so on every window you will see number 6 after the dots. Seatbelt. Every seatbelt have a date at the bottom. In this case, it's a date 2016. Traveling with kids at the back seat. Make travel safer. Lock a door. Here is a safety lock. When you turn using the physical key, you switch off the inside handle. You can't open the door from inside. Your car is equipped with the electric windows. Press this button and the kids can't operate the windows at the back.
Engine flushes may sound necessary on paper as they are designed to break down oil sludge in your engine and prevent the formation of new sludge. To avoid being scammed by car mechanic, check the engine cap. The presence of sludge can be found on the bottom of your oil cap on the engine. 20 minutes on fuel cap. What does this mean? From when you push the fuel door button, you only have 20 minutes to fill up, as there's an internal mechanism that completely seals off the filler tube to prevent gas fumes from escaping.
Safety tip you can't ignore. Do not overfill tires and check their condition regularly.
Traveling with small babies at the front seat. In the rear-facing car seat, remember about airbag. Switch off airbag. In most cars, the switch is behind the passenger door. It's just right here. You can use the physical key. Just put the key and turn off. Move seat, making bigger distance between the car seat and the airbag.